Hello friend, today we learn how to add contact notes in GoHighlevel. For this, we have to go to the contact tab under sub account. Then we have to go to company tab. When we go to company tab, then we find that there is a options apart from we can add any company informations. So we will add one company informations. Here we put a company name. Suppose my company is Speaker. A phone number we have just put as example. Then this is only the name is mandatory. That's why we are not go for more. Then we will go to the save. And automatically company successfully added. And under this company, if I want to put the employee name and put the contact notes for the employee, then you have to go to the company options, and there is company and company contacts. If I want to add from my smart contact list, we can do. Otherwise, I can add contact separately. If I suppose for an example, I add this other contact, I added the contacts, and I want to put the note of one of my employee. Then I have to go to the notes options and add note. When I go to add note, then automatically the two contacts which I have added that will come, and then I have put one note to one of my contacts. Then just I should note complete. Complete the project reports and create notes. Then automatically save, and this note will be assigned to my this contact. This is a wonderful feature in GoHighlevel. So thank you, friends.